AutonoMaaS is kind of a marriage between vehicle and autonomy, so a self-driving vehicle, and mobility as a service. Mobility services are really, in Toyota's viewpoint, mobility at the right time in the right way.
The Sienna AutonoMaaS, which will have a capability of having any kind of autonomous driving kit, will provide Toyota a lot of capability in AutonoMaaS area.
We install into the Sienna a vehicle control interface, and through that interface, the vehicle platform can communicate with the autonomous driving kit of the partner. We actually get a production vehicle from our manufacturing facility in Indiana, and we tear it down in our prototype development lab. We rebuild the vehicle, including all unique wire harnesses. We really felt that the best solution was to install all of our Toyota unique parts into the console box. We also add redundancy of systems. Right now we have 2 customers for Sienna AutonoMaaS, and that's Aurora Innovation and May Mobility. And they're very different companies with the same goal for mobility. With May Mobility, they are already in municipalities providing services that are needed in cities that don't have robust transportation system.
At May Mobility, our vision is to transform cities using autonomous vehicles. And that's what the Toyota Sienna does for us. It's the first vehicle built from the ground up, ready to be controlled by a computer.
Toyota is a great partner for May Mobility. We were able to take our sensors and our autonomous drive kit and apply them to the Sienna in the easiest fashion possible. We believe that autonomous vehicles can close the gaps in access to transportation. It is important to May that we can provide all the benefits of an autonomous Sienna with our riders with disabilities.
May Mobility is actually evaluating Toyota's cabin awareness technology.
The cabin awareness system includes a sensor module that's located on the headliner, and it can detect the presence of passengers. It uses radar technology to determine how many passengers are in the vehicle, where are they seated, and if their seatbelts are fastened.
The Sienna platform has really allowed us to upgrade our fleet, to serve cities and to make transportation better for everyone.
With Aurora Innovation, we work with them here at R&D to understand how they intend to integrate the vehicle, both their systems and their hardware, so that we can prepare the vehicle exactly the way that they need it.
Because cars powered by the Aurora Driver operate on fundamentally the same hardware and software as trucks powered by the Aurora Driver, they inherit the unique capability of operating at high speeds on highways. This allows our fleet of Siennas to operate at speeds up to 70 miles an hour in ride-hailing applications.
Both our trucks and Siennas are powered by the same underlying software and hardware, which makes our Siennas uniquely positioned to handle a lot of the highway complexity, like seeing far down the road, and handling high-speed highway driving capabilities, like navigating around construction zones.
We look to be long-term partners with Toyota and show them how sincere our interest is working with them to show the technology. Having our team here allows us to build that bridge.
Our concept is mobility for all. Mobility for all concept, autonomous driving, huge contribution for that.
With Sienna AutonoMaaS, we want to make sure that we are learning from different companies, but we also want to make sure that we are quick to market and that we are successful right at the beginning so that we can provide a spectrum of mobility to our customers. We're just in the beginning stages of this concept of mobility, so we're starting with Sienna AutonoMaaS, and who knows where it can go in the future.